He goes on to say, Akis malyom karana sport chakyomanch. So it's malyom I like. Karana are cars. So karana. So the A-N-N-A ending is a common plural in Irish. And sport is sport. Sport is of sport. So karana sports are sports cars. A humont is to drive. Okay? Either cars or cattle. Okay? Right? So. Yeah. Okay. So, number 10. Is docha gur kachav amshira eishin. Okay. Is docha means it is probable. A good English translation a lot of times is I suppose. Okay? So I suppose that's a pastime. You could say that's probably a pastime. It doesn't quite sound right. So, so it's docha gur kachav amshira eishin. I suppose that's a pastime. Now, is docha is followed by go or some form of it, which means that. So to give a couple more examples, to say he's a doctor, is dochtore. But he's probably a doctor. Is docha gur dochtore. Or I suppose he's a doctor. You could translate that also. Is docha gur dochtore. So is becomes gur. Okay, when you want to say after is docha. Go. If you have a combination of this go and is, it becomes gur. Is docha gur. Okay? You want to say he's not a doctor, ni doctore. Or he's probably not a doctor. Is docha nach doctore. Okay, so the combination of nach plus is, it becomes nach. Okay? So go means that, nach means that not, and the verb thing here is it kind of just goes away in a negative and it becomes gur in a positive. Okay? We're just going to do those forms for now. Okay, so it's docha gur kachav amshira eishin. Okay? And then it goes on, Rinisha drajkaira leshen nochtur. So,
how come you don't have slender with slender and
because it's two words stuck together.
Oh, it's the top.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, gaira is a laugh, drajkaira is a grin. Okay, kind of like we had fechunch is a look and strakechunch is a glance. Okay? Myon gaira is a smile. So a lot of times Irish combines two words together. Okay? And then the rules for Latin, and Creole are broken. Okay? So to say he grinned, he made a grin, just like he makes a smile to smile. Okay? And lesson doctor with the doctor. Okay? Number 12. Rinne sheshen train irach a yivas a chinyofwichrian. So he made a strong attempt to keep his disdain for him under control. It should be his. Okay? So Rinne sheshen, so he, sheshen now meaning the doctor, so it's kind of, the sheh then becomes sheshen just to make an emphasis that it's someone other than the guy who just grinned. Okay, so it's an emphasis. So he grinned, but he, meaning the doctor, made iracht is an attempt. Okay, it comes from the word ir, which means try. Ir, which means try or ask someone to do something. Right? Okay. As a verb, it's usually meaning to ask someone to do something. So of ask on him it to do. Okay? But as the word iracht, it often means to try. So you could say Rinne me iracht, I made an attempt, I tried. Okay? Train iracht is a strong attempt. So train is used occasionally as a prefix to make something more strong or more intensive. Train iracht, strong attempt. A yivas so his disdain. So mas is respect, jivas is disrespect, a yivas is his disrespect, and the means on him, meaning on column. So Renisheshem Trainirach a yivas a chinyal is to keep. So kinyal gemach is keeping on going, another expression. Kehiwilta, how are you? A kinyal gemach, keeping on going. So a chinyal to keep. Fui is under, and a srian is like a fui hrian, yeah, it's like a rain. So it keeps them under control, basically. It's, less than literal translation, but basically under control, under reign. Okay?
R-E-I-N.
Yeah. So Rinya Sheshen train iracht a yivas a chinyal fui hrian. Yeah. Okay, Korean. Okay. And then he asks, will to posta? Are you married? Okay. And he answers no, Neelam. You can say Neil or Neelam. Neil is a combination of Neil and May. Neelam is. Okay? Feeling? And he says, it's docha gomientu malsan icha dugna. So you're probably out late at night usually. So, first of all, let's look at the word being. Okay.
That's peg out there gardening. In case
Okay.
you're all wondering.
All right. So if you want to say he's out, how would you say he's outside?
Hello?
Okay. All right.
No, I just find
Tashe.
it fascinating. Are you having fun?
Tashe ema. Or tashi ema. Okay. Okay. Tashe ema. He's outside. Okay. Being she. This is the one you would use with anish. Tashe ema anish. But being she ema gafika. Okay? Every night. So being, you notice that NN thing, it's kind of like those ones we started off with. These are the habitual things that you regularly do. Okay? So use ta to talk about things right now. Kind of like you say, like you would use egg with words, ta she egg, shkriv, ta she egg, he's eating or he's writing. But being she is something he does habitually. So being she amo gafika. You can't say ta she amo gafika. It doesn't make sense in Irish. Okay. Now, in this sentence we have isdocha stuck with that. Okay. So is docha is followed by the word go. Okay. And earlier we had it with gur. Okay, because it was go plus is and it becomes gur. When it's with a verb like being, what it does is it eclipses the word. So it's docha go mian. Okay, it's docha go mian. Okay? So it's docha go mian she'ema ga'ita. Okay? Now, if you want to say he isn't outside every night, or isn't outside often, we have here, ni vien she emu gominik. Okay? And if you want to put that with this docha, so he probably isn't outside often. It's docha nach mien she emu gominik. So you use the word nach. And you, okay? And you lanite, sorry, not a lanite, eclipse the word that follows it, okay? Now, you can do this with other words too, okay? So, you put a couple of the ones that we've learned earlier. Actually, we'll write them here. Is docha. So probably So Gomien, we'll use this one first. Gomien she. Okay. Or you can say he probably drinks beer. Okay. It's docha go Nolan she. Your, yeah, gafita maybe. Okay. How do you think you would say he probably eats pizza? So it's docha genichen pizza.